Hey there, car enthusiasts. Are you tired of dealing with average car that don't deliver the power and performance you crave? Say goodbye to those days because I've got something special for you today, introducing MT cars. Picture this: you're driving around in a car that lacks the thrill and excitement you desire. The engine feels sluggish, the handling is mediocre, and let's not even talk about the lackluster design. It's time to level up your driving experience with MT cars. MT cars are not your average vehicles. These bad boys are built for speed, power, and pure adrenaline. Say goodbye to sluggish acceleration and hello to lightning-fast speed that will make your heart race. The handling on these cars is exceptional, giving you full control on those sharp turns and windy roads. But wait, there's more. MT cars are not just about power and performance. These beasts come packed with cutting-edge technology and luxurious features that will take your driving experience to a whole new level. From state-of-the-art entertainment systems to advanced safety features, MT cars have it all. What sets MT cars apart from the rest is their exclusivity. These cars are not mass-produced, making them a rare gem in the world of automobiles. Once you own an MT car, you become part of an elite group of drivers who appreciate the finer things in life. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on the opportunity to own an MT car and elevate your driving experience to unparalleled heights. Get your hands on one of these rare gems before they're gone for good. Trust me, once you experience the thrill of driving an MT car, you'll never look back.